Me no want have that the pitney there for the crosses there. Straight up. When time come, me have pitney for who need for have pitney for. And if me can't have no pitney, me go add up a pitney. Simple as that. Cause first thing first, do you owe me stay? If me did blood clot do have that the pitney there and go court and judge say ma take away from you, think me about me say take him on blood clot go on. At least me not know for hold me down and stress. Me take him and go on. And you stress them depend. And you have to go care him, go get one stepmother to help you out. Take him on blood clot, go on. No stress, go on with him. Go on. I can go a party same way, I can do my things same way. At least I not put him for sit down a yard and I watch. So take him and go. But I not go bring no blood clot pitney pan ya. And go through no pain for no pitney pan ya. For you come take him. So I better get rid of him early. Oh. And for all who still in them delusional mind, time will tell. Start count from now. And tell me if you Billy I go. That's no excuse for that shit way. Hey girl, go suck your go get a woman, bring one and stay out of people business, cross. Or go link up how we make him breed you. Since you're in my business so much and you just want a part of pregnancy lifestyle, go make him breed, you know. Go on, go make him breed you. Yeah, me lose a baby, me have miscarriage. You gonna regret it. You regret it, see, never you breed. Go ahead, black.